Let's explore Taiwan. Take
We've been
6.
waiting for so long. We've been waiting for this time to begin. We ain't getting any older. I kinda feel a little younger. Run away and embrace the day. The sun is out, won't go away. Feel the clouds on your shoulder. Touch the sky, feeling bolder. Going out, going out, going all the way. Going out, yeah, yeah. Going out, going out, going all the way. Going higher. Going all the way, going up. Going all the way, going up. Going all the way, going higher.
Hi guys, I'm Julius.
And I'm Tristan. We're chasing adventures one stop at a time.
Welcome to our travel vlog.
Morning!
Morning.
Good morning in Siminding. Where are we going?
Morning, Sising Godzilla.
Ay, grabe naman.
Good morning, Godzilla.
Good morning, guys. We're going to Taipei Zoo. So bago tayo mag Taipei Zoo, daan muna tayo sa Chiang Kai-shek. Mag-reload muna tayo ng Easy Card.
Pala, wala ka nang sisili. Kunin mo yung paminalaglag dun.
So wala ka na select diretso ka na. No? Pag mag-tap ka ng ano.
Ganun lang pala.
So, papakita naman siya sa ano.
Oo, tapos automatic naman na ano yung magre-read yung coins. Every time mag-insert ka. Very easy lang to top up some money on your Easy Card. Pero follow nyo guys kasi yung Easy Card yung Easy Card, iPass. Ayan.
Ito yung dinagdag niya. Current, dinagdag, and then...
Okay. So tara na, bilang may load ng Easy Card natin, simulan na ang adventure. Stay on the right mga kalakwatsa. So Xinjiang Songshan.
Currently, we are in Ximen.
So 2 stations lang to Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall.
So, mura lang yung ano.
Ayan. Magkano 25 NTD?
Simula dito, dalawang station na yung pupuntahan natin.
Oo.
Tapos,
Nandito na tayo mga kalakwatsa. We will walk for 8 minutes to get to Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall. CKS Memorial Hall Exit 5. Chiang Kai-shek! Quick history muna tayo mga kalakwatsa. This memorial is dedicated to Chiang Kai-shek, who was a key political and military leader in the 20th century China. He led the nationalist government, and after losing the Chinese Civil War, he moved his government to Taiwan. So when you're walking around here, it doesn't just feel like a typical tourist spot. It's more like a space where Taiwan looks back its history. Chiang Kai-shek, Chiang Kai-shek, Chiang Kai-shek, 360 view. Woo! Woo! Run! Guys, this place is huge. Like massive open square, grand white buildings, and that stunning blue roofed hall right in the center. Para kang nasa isang historical movie set. What? Ang lawak. Mga kalakwatsa, from the outside, this building is super eye-catching. White walls, deep blue octagon-shaped roof, at elevated sa massive platform. There are 89 steps leading up, one of each year of Chiang Kai-shek's life. Kaya naman talagang hihingalin ka. Guys, we made it inside! And the vibe completely changes. It's super quiet, very calm, definitely a place of respect.
Fun fact! The statue of Chiang Kai-shek is made of bronze and 6 meters tall. It shows him seated in calm authority.
Ganda ng grounds.
Don't drop your camera.
Alright, thank you, T, for your reminder. Thank you so much. Here,
Shanghai. What?
let's go.
I think mommy and
Hello. Ba't kaya maglakad, T? Oh. Pwede kayo umupo sa mga benches on the side pag napagod na kayo. The National Theater pala, guys, and this is the National Assembly Hall, and this is yung sa gitna is the Democracy Road. Back to Chiang Kai-shek Station. So we're going to Taipei Zoo naman ngayon.
From Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall Station, sasakay tayo ng Songshan Sindian Line going to Nanjing Fuxing Station para mag-change to Window Line. Then ang stop na natin is sa Taipei Zoo.
Para ka na namang monkey bar dyan. Hawa.
I see the man if he wanted first.
Where?
In the train.
Up, we're going up.
Give me the go down.
Medyo mabilis yung train nila. Tsaka na-notice ko yung mga tao hindi masyado nagsasalita sa loob ng train. So we have to be quiet when we're on the train in Taiwan.
Mount Police Station to Taipei Zoo.
Sinicheck ng mga guard, no? Yung loob ng train. Mahigip ka talaga sa biyahe. Wala namang Taipei Zoo! Pinili namin yung ticket namin sa Klook, so ready for entry namin. Okay, let's get a map.
Okay, let's take a start.
Wow. 7-Eleven para sa mga nagtitipid. May 7-Eleven sa Taipei Zoo. Kuha tayo ng map para alam natin kung saan tayo pupunta. So just take a picture?
Yeah.
Ah, okay. So they're not gonna give you physical copy. You can take a picture of the map. Natutulog sila. I think that's how they sleep, di ba? Flamingos sleep while standing.
Dito daw makikita yung panda.
May panda dito.
Oh my God!
Ando sa sa taas yung panda.
Ay, titingnan mo. Oh, nidesign na nila yung ano. Happy birthday. Ah, oo nga. Shh, shh, shh. Go!
Go, go, go!
Aray, nakatog ako. Go. Wow.
Oh no! There's a bear. Ah! Run, run, run!
There's a bear.
Mommy, that's
Ay, that's a fallow deer. Kaya nga, nasa zoo naman tayo. Well taken care of yung mga animals kasi hindi rin mabaho. Tsaka mukha silang healthy. Are you okay, dear? Ah, they're sleeping. Pero dito banda medyo may amoy na. Pero I think that's their natural scent. Yung mga animals kasi hindi rin mabaho. Tsaka mukha silang healthy.
Black bear. Oh, may black bear.
So from this side makikita ang leopard cat, black bear, Eurasian otter, Formosan serow, Formosan rock, maca. Yeah, so let's check. Ano to, Chow? So ito ay the pure strain wild boar. Ito sila, ganito yung tsura nila. Ito sila, doon natutulog. They're sleeping, T. Tulog sila. Kasi naman siesta time.
Oo, lunchtime na eh.
Tas ang linis, no? Asan na? Swinhoe's pheasant. Asan na siya? Ayun sila. Dalawa sila. Hello! Hello!
I'm gonna name them
What are you gonna name them?
Tinapay.
Tina and Pai? Lahat na lang, tinapay. Chuk chuk!
Tinapay.
Oh, let's go. Let's look for the panda.
Tinapay. Tinapay.
Let's go look for Spotty.
And I will wake up the night.
Yes, they're called nocturnal animals. Oh, very cute.
It's a patenda.
So that's why we should keep our voice low because we're disturbing them. They're sleeping. Napakalaki ng zoo na to. Ano meron naman dito? Ah, leopard. So, asan na yung leopard? Where's the leopard? There's a leopard. Leopard. Ay, yung bear naman. Asan na? Where's the black bear? Ay, oh my gosh. Ay, it's a very big black bear.
Kasyokot, di ba sa Alaska?
This one is Asian black bears are listed endangered species. Nakagutom.
Kama yung puwet.
Come on, baby. Are you hungry? Ayun siya. Tulog yung otter.
Ang low shouting daw.
No shout. Sorry.
Low shouting nakalagay.
Do not beat. Keep quiet, no flash.
Okay, sorry.
So be quiet, okay? So be quiet guys pag nandito kayo. Otters are
Tinapay.
nocturnals. They sleep during the day and they're mostly awake during the night. The Formosan rock macaque. So it's there. And keep quiet. So let's check what animals are in here. Mga pangolin conservation. So this is a tree pangolin. Wow! Ang cute naman ito, Lego pangolin. So wala ang mga pangolins nakatago. Meron din silang education center sa loob ng zoo. Diba? Lang guys, no crossing and climbing, and most especially no feeding of animals here. Go to Koala House P. Koala House 1 and then Koala House 2. Ang cute. Hello, Mr. Koala. Nice to see you. Ang cute ni Mr. Koala doon. Chill lang siya doon. I wanna be a tutubi. More walk dito. Ang laki pala ng ano, no? Taipei Zoo.
Kaya pupunta mo lang yung mga gusto mo lang punta.
Oo, kasi I think ideally kung gusto mo to ikutin lahat, one whole day ka. Pero maaliw ka na rin kasi sa mga makikita mong mga animals. Maraming oxygen din dahil sa mga plants around you. Good source of oxygen. So let's inhale, exhale. Oh no, that's the baby's litter. Baby panda.
Eating it.
No, it's just carrying it. The panda is here.
Whale.
Ayun, Tiyo. Malapit sa ano. Ayun siya. Oh. No beating on the glasses. No flash photography inside. No smoking and no eating. Wow. Oo, tsaka hindi sila pwedeng magkakasama eh. May sarili silang area. Tulog siya. Thank you. The panda is sleeping. Natutulog si Mr. Panda.
First time ko makakita ng panda.
Ang cute na.
Napaka-cute nila. Mga lazy panda talaga.
Oo, lagi silang tulog.
Lagi tulog, lagi nakahiga.
Hindi mo sila ma-expect na active sila. Chill lang sila. Minsan maging panda.
I wanna be a panda as well.
Ako, I
I'm
wanna
feel
be a
panda
tutubi.
now.
Okay. Let's continue. Crocodiles. Sa zoo na to kasi meron silang water dito. Pwede kang kumuha ng refreshments. Bumili pala ng refreshments dyan. So, para lagi kang hydrated habang nag-ikot ka sa zoo nila kasi sobrang laki. So, these are called the black-capped Squirrel monkey. Kaya yung sound nila parang squirrel, no? Diba? Mukha isa ng mga fruits. Ayun, ang lilit nila ng mga monkey. Ano sila ay black-capped squirrel monkeys. Cute. Asa yung isa?
Ayan, magkatabi sila. Ayan. Doon nakaharap yun.
Uy, gumagalaw na siya.
Ay, grabe yun siya, oh. Wow.
Uy, gumagalaw na siya, oh. Yun, papunta na siya dito, tiyo doon.
Tropical rainforest house. So she just go inside. Hey. Keep the door closed. Ay, wow. Grabe. May ano, elevator. Grabe. Ganda. What did you see?
Capybara.
Capybara?
Ano capybara? Wait, it does. Wait, what is funny?
I think it's a peacock.
It's funny.
Oh yeah.
No.
Ayun.
That's
What's
funny.
this? This is a Tokochukan.
Coca-Cola.
Here.
Why is in Taiwan?
Grabe dyan siya kumakapit, hindi sa tree. Ang bagal niyang gumalaw eh, no? What's this? Ay! It's the red-footed tortoise. Tortoise. Ang cute na. Ito. Burmese star tortoise. Ay, mas maliliit sila na kind of tortoise. Oo nga eh. Wow. That big one is what you call red-bellied pacu.
The small one.
Inalagaan ata to, diba? Yung malaki.
Ay, they have pearl stingray.
Pearl stingray. Where's the stingray?
No, binalaki tiyo, sabi. Ate Luisa.
Ah.
Sabi ko. Alam mo, akala ko kung ano yun.
Ayun, Tiyo. Tiyo, ayun oh. Sa ulo mo. Grabe.
It's sticking on the top.
Yes, it sticks on the top. It's trying to swim. Wow, grabe. Ang lalaki naman ng mga fish na to.
naman sila.
Ibig sabihin, ano sila, well fed.
Now in the sea.
Hi! Say hi! With the stingray.
Magkano ba yung sa tampang? Lalo na to.
Grabe. Cotton top tamarind. Ang cute niya, ang lit lang niya. Yeah.
Uy, malaki na sa spotting.
Grabe, ang liit, ang cute.
Mommy, I think
Ay, ang cute. Ay, tiyo, tiyo mo. Liligo sila. Those birds are scarlet ibis.
Parang paano lapang flamingo, no?
Ang sulit ng tour na to. Maikot mo na yung buo. Ito yung mga fish. Yung stingray nagpapakitang gila siya. Ay, dalawa pala yung stingray. Andun yung isa na sa dulo. That is... Anong bird yan? Wala siya. Comment na lang kayo guys kung ano yan. Parang nagkalat lang rin sila dito. Parang isa siyang malaking sanctuary nila. Ang galing. Oo. Ay, si ano to? Anong pangalan nun sa movie?
Oo. Yung ano lang sila, dalawa na lang.
Si Blue. Ang siya. Blue and yellow macaw.
Di ba kanina?
Parang usually partner sila eh. Ah, ito pala kainan eh. Ay, ano to? Poison frog.
Kasi sabi nila, pag sa, ano, sa
Ito
nature,
rin.
pag makulay ka, poisonous ka.
Ito rin poison frog.
Pero pag nagbe-blend ka sa environment, ayun pa
Ah, sa loob?
sa loob ng paso.
Ay, oo nga.
Ang cute, no?
Is it poisoned?
Poisonous.
Ito pala. Ay, siya.
Yes.
Ah, blue naman. Blue poisonous frog.
Where?
Ayun oh. Green poisonous frog. Ayun pa yung yellow oh. May yellow pa dun oh.
Eh, no?
Yellow. Ayun na
Mahawakan
gumalaw.
mo lang yan, kaya ako.
Poison.
Tepo.
Oo, kasi poisonous siya.
Guling mo parang kala mo yung mga figurine.
Oo, tsaka alam mo laruan lang. Ay, maamoy mo pagpasok. Akala ko meron silang parang full na food court. Pero para na siyang small cafe. So pag nauhaw at nagutom kayo, meron na silang kainan dito. Ayun, tapir.
Wala naman ng ano, tubig. Paano siyang baboy?
Oo.
Yung mahaba.
Wala siyang sound, oh. Did you see? Can you see it? Eh? Ito na. Exit na ito, eh. Ano to? Bear, you know. It's a sun bear. It's more of like lean. Ayun na siya. Payat siya na bear, no? Pahaba siya.
Maybe baby pa siya siguro siya.
Wow. Can you see it? Eh?
Yeah. Where is facing?
It's a sun bear.
I wanna go to mommy to out eat.
Oh, it's like... Ah, elephant. Helping yung elephant nila dito.
Parang ano, parang
Parang buko. Bata pa
yung
to.
tae.
Oh.
Don't smell it wrong.
Ah, the smell is bad?
Because that's how the elephant usually smells. Ayaw nga yung tiger. Tiger!
Medyo payat nga siya, no?
Oopsie!
Ang dami naming nakitang mga animals.
Yes.
Very unique. At dito lang din siguro makita.
Oo. Tsaka
Ang pinakagusto ko
naalagaan
nakita,
talaga
ano,
nila yung mga hayop dito.
Ano yung pinakagusto ko makita? The panda.
Oh yeah.
First time.
Ako naman yung elephant. Guys are hungry, may mga ganito din, may mga vending machines for light snacks, drinks,
Mura lang siya, 30.
and may Ovaltine. Diba? Pwede na. Laki-laki yung trailer. Ah, elephant shipping ano. Ito yung laki. Ito yung trailer na ginamit sa kanya, no? Wow, di. Grabe no, yung history, mga ano na ito, luma na yung mga...
Wait, no, money open at this.
Oh, I think that's an old wound. Oo. Galing Tino. Siya. Elephant shipping container. Galing no? Nasama pa nila as part of the attraction dito sa zoo. Oo. Galing no? This is Bactrian camel. They're used for transport Theo in the desert, you know? Camels are like horses in the desert. Yes, because in the desert, there are no horses, there are only camels. Tingnan mo yung camel, oh! Wow. And kung gusto niyo naman makita yung mga giraffe, kangaroo, doon naman sa side na yun. Let's check out the giraffe. The other one is a rhino, and that big one is elephant. Try natin, punta natin ng giraffe. Asa chow? Ah, may maao nga. Medyo maamoy nyo na kanilang mga waste, pero kailang yan. Kasama sa experience. Wow, look at the giraffe. Can you see the giraffe, Steve?
Mommy.
Kung ginalaw niyo kami.
Wow. They're cemented. The hippos are cemented. Ah. Hippos! Grabe, ang lalaki ng mga hippos.
Lumukod na naman siya.
Oh, sabi niya, I'm unbothered. Grabe, ti.
Lubog.
Sakay tayo ng shuttle. Pababa. Pupunta tayo at sasakay tayo ng gondola. Ito na. Check daw muna ako sa papunta, Chow. So, using Easy Card, you can pay only for $5 para makasakay na shuttle going to gondola. Makukong gondola tayo.
Dito na kami, pag sa likod kami.
Doon pa, meron pa doon, no? Meron pa doon, oh. Hello! Shuttle!
请将车门安全钩扣上。
Pababa tayo. Di ba tayo pa-exit? Zoo lang, ti. Ay, may penguin house pa dun, oh. Oh, pagondola. Taipei Zoo South Station. Ano lang?
$5.
Oo.
10 pesos lang.
Saan naman lakarin mo yun? Paangat, di ba? Pag nilakad mo yun, baka gabi ka na. Doon na tayo bibili ng ano? Doon na mag-scan ng ticket. Yung ticket sa Klook, ipiprint nyo dito for ticket. Kasi scan
Sa isa.
siya.
Automatic ka lalabas sa isa. Ang dali lang, no? Scan niya lang.
Kaya nga eh. Diba? May physical ticket na. Which you will need to scan kapag papasok kayo dito sa station. So yan siya. Scan lang natin doon. Thank you. CR break muna. Hindi na tayo magtitrain, oo. Para ito na yun.
Anong, di sa umangkong kaya ba ba?
We're 8.
Someone in my hotel.
$1.
Crystal tayo. Hindi pa crystal, lima lang na nakalagay doon.
Yung sa Hong Kong talaga, kung nakapasok.
Oo, grabe. Ang taas kasi nun.
Siyempre, paakyat pa lang tayo. Wala pa tayo sa pababa. Grabe.
Maganda dito pag groupie. Pero sa gilid yung ano.
I feel nervous.
You feel nervous?
I feel nervous.
Walang panama yun, Jim. Pag tumaas tayo, makikita natin. Kasi ate, okay ka lang ate.
Why you go say
Tundol, ano
bye?
na to, di ba, Makong?
Hindi pa. Grabe, pataas sa pataas.
Spaghetti pataas. May mga engineer kanina, no?
Alam ko, tinala si Tio, walang...
Siguro time to time may maintain.
I'm big.
The view, grabe, ang ganda.
Tio, sit down.
Ay, ang ganda naman ng ano, colorful naman ng building na yun.
5, 4,
Relax.
2, 1.
We're going down.
Zero. Don't pay for you. Wait.
Ah, we're number 81.
Ayan,
Okay. Ay, we have to tap.
Yung bata, nakuna na yung ticket. Wala pa.
Sabay San Chow. Ay, wow. Ang ganda naman ng...
Tsaka lang.
ay. Tio.
Welcome to Malcolm. T, move on this right. On the side, please. Malcolm.
Welcome to Malcolm.
I don't want
Mag-green tea ice cream na tayo.
Para
Libre ba yan, te? Tinatawag mo kami, ate. Is that for free? Malcolm Yan Thai. Yang... Ay, ti! Ito, ate. Woo! Ito. Ito na yung famous nila, yung Malcolm with a cat.
Malcolm Oolong Tea Ice Cream. I mix ice cream. Yummy cookie. Thank you.
Wow, thank you.
With the cat. Taste test tayo ng ice cream. This is a combination of Malcolm Oolong Tea and vanilla with their cat cookies. So famous siya dito sa Malcolm. Okay. Since mix siya, talagang naghahalo yung vanilla tsaka yung ulong tea.
Pero anong lasang ulong?
May aftertaste yung ulong talaga, very tea. Ganun.
Very tsaa.
Which is masarap kasi nga nahaluan siya ng vanilla salt. Para siyang milk.
Matamis.
Hindi din. Sakto lang, hindi matamis na matamis.
Mm-mm.
Sakto lang din talaga ang timpla. Tignan natin yung cut. Parang bagong ano siya, bake.
How much is that?
Harap.
Magkano yan?
This is 90 Taiwan dollar.
Okay. Try nyo, pag nasa Mao kayo, yung Mao Kong Yang Thai. I will try the Mao Kong Oolong milk tea naman. Nice. Malalasama yung tsaa pero hindi siya matamis. And then, hindi rin masyadong overpowering yung milk. Alam mo yung mga heavy milk minsan pagdating mga milk aftertaste. So yung tsaa niya mild lang. Yung ulong is mild.
How much is that?
Also for 90 Taiwan dollars. It's a good try.
Ang ganda lagyan, no?
Nga eh.
Pwede yung uwi.
Pwede mo yung uwi. Pwede yung i-reuse na ganyan tubig. Lalo pag naglalakad kayo. Must try, same store. Maraming salamat sa pagsama today mga kalakwatsa. To God be the glory. Thank you po, Lord. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment kayo kung anong adventure ang favorite nyo. Check out these videos for more travel adventures.